I'm Bridget from ECloth. We all love our beautiful stone countertops. So now we'll see how we can protect our investment with our granite and stone cleaning kit. Can you believe people spray cleaners on their granite and stone countertops? When you spray a cleaning solution on these surfaces, it creates buildup. The buildup leaves streaks and makes the surface feel and look dirty. All that is needed to clean granite and stone is ECloth and water. This is our granite and stone cleaning cloth. And how I know is this tag says granite cloth. All our kits come with a thin glass and polishing cloth, and they come in different colors, but all do the same thing. Always think of this cloth as your new paper towel, and how you will remember it is it's thin like a paper towel. I wet the thick cleaning cloth first under my faucet and wipe down my countertops and my island. And then I dry and polish with the glass and polishing cloth. Then I rinse the cleaning cloth out well under the faucet to make sure I get all the dirt and grime out, and then hang it to dry. I don't have to rinse the glass and polishing because I used it to dry the surface, but I do hang it to dry and have it ready for the next use. The glass and polishing cloth is one you will want to have multiples of. I use these cloths like I would paper towels, and I just love the clean finish they leave after I've cleaned a surface. And I can reuse and have no waste and avoid the expense of paper towels. When you clean with ECloth and water, your surfaces stay cleaner longer. The granite and stone and glass and polishing cloths should be washed in the washing machine weekly with regular laundry detergent, no bleach, fabric softener or dryer sheets, and then it can go in the dryer or be line dried. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how you clean your stone countertops using our granite and stone cleaning kit. See you soon.